Thank you, MCI, for being a platinum sponsor at the United Motor Coach Expo.
We would like to thank Prevost Motor Coach for being a platinum sponsor of the 2025 Expo.
Thank you, Daimler Coaches of North America, for being a sponsor at our 2025 Expo.
I'd like to thank ABC as being a gold sponsor for the Expo for 2025.
Thank you, TEMSA, for being a platinum sponsor of the 2025 UMA Expo.
I would like to thank Sarno for being a gold sponsor at United Motor Coach Association 2025 Expo.
On behalf of the UMA Board of Directors, I would like to thank National Interstate for being a silver sponsor at 2025 Expo.
I'd like to thank Jeff Arsendorf and his team at Village Travel for helping us with all our transportation needs and for the amazing site visit we had on Thursday for their brand new 40,000 square foot facility.
On behalf of the United Motor Coach Association, I want to thank Overland Charters for the excellent transportation services for the UMA Expo.
On behalf of UMA, we would like to thank all of our exhibitors for your sponsorship in the sneak peek and the after party at this year's Expo.
Thank you, Bus Rates, for being a silver sponsor at the 2025 Motor Coach Expo.
On behalf of the UMA Board of Directors, we want to thank everyone for being at Expo 2025.
Thank you.